You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out.
Good morning and welcome back to another preparing for fall in the middle of August video. I'm so excited because when I'm filming this, it's actually the day of the Starbucks pumpkin drop. You guys know I cannot contain my excitement about pumpkin. So of course, we're gonna get ready really quick. I have my little new Say makeup pouch. They just did a restock of these things and let me tell you, I'm obsessed. I had the dupe of this for a while and I really liked it and I really wanted the Say one. And then I saw that they were doing a restock and I set my alarm and I was able to get it and I'm very excited about it. And since we're on the topic of new things, I also got my nails done yesterday. I did this like wine maroon color, which I think is beautiful. I didn't vlog it just because I don't want my fall vlogs to be too repetitive, even though some things are going to be inevitable to not be repetitive. I'm going to do a very quick speed through of my makeup because I feel like all of my fall videos so far have been me getting ready, and where I do like that, I'm so excited for pumpkin spice. I just want to get ready really fast today. So I did order the pumpkin drinks that are on the menu, but I also ordered a few new ones. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to nuts, so I can't try the pecan one, and I didn't want to only try 2 drinks in this video. Not that that would be a problem, but I really just love pumpkin and really want to embrace it, so I wanted to try more than just one. So I figured it would be a good idea to get a few other drinks that I saw on the menu as well that I'm very excited about and that I think I'm gonna love. Today, I actually ended up door dashing the drinks because I went to Starbucks this morning and the line was so long. Like, I've actually never seen the line that long. I actually did not have any time to wait. I woke up a little bit late, which is completely my fault. So I decided that I'm going to DoorDash the drinks. I think the pumpkin is going to taste so good, especially because today it is a little bit colder in New Jersey. And when I say colder, I mean like mid 60s, at least in the morning. I think it is going to get to 80, but I'll embrace it right now because I love a good crisp fall day. I wanted to also give you guys a little update on Penny, who is my new puppy that me and my boyfriend adopted. I talked about her in my latest vlog about fall, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update because a lot of people were asking. We did adopt her. We were actually outside a pet store and the adopting center was there and we saw her and fell in love with her. Me and my boyfriend were talking about getting a dog for a while now for our apartment, and originally we were going to adopt a German pointer, but we couldn't find an adoption center near us that had one, so we decided to just keep looking and we eventually found Penny and we are in love with her. She's so sweet. She does have a little bit of an issue with chewing everything in sight, so we're still working on training her and trying to teach her not to do that because she can't hear. It is a little bit harder than how I trained Maverick, who is Chad's other puppy. He is a German short-haired pointer. He was very easy to train, and Penny's a little bit harder to train, but we knew that going into it and it's nothing that we didn't expect. We're just trying to figure out the right hand signals and everything so that she understands what she can and can't do because of course we want her to be safe. But everything is going very well with Penny and we're very excited to have her. I just got a text that my DoorDash is on the way and I'm actually so excited. I didn't expect it to come this fast, and I have Tari getting ready. I'm also wearing this really pretty little crew neck from TikTok Shop and I think it's adorable. I really loved the colors. It actually comes in a matching set, but I'm not wearing the matching set because the matching set is shorts, at least the version I got, and I'm freezing. I'm not even just saying that. I'm actually really cold this morning, so I wanted to put on a little sweater and pant moment with my little pumpkin slippers because it really helps just get into those pumpkin fall vibes. I think I'm going to keep my makeup very simple today just because I'm not really doing anything too much, and even though now that I say that, I do need to decorate for fall and I also really need to film a fall morning routine as well, but I feel like my makeup just looking a little bit natural and how it does for my everyday videos is fine for that. So I'm just doing a little bit of light makeup, or at least I consider this light makeup. This is kind of just like my everyday makeup. I didn't have time to do my hair, so we're gonna ignore it because my drinks came and I didn't want them to melt. Look at how pretty all of these look. I'm so excited. I have 6 drinks and I'm so excited. Actually, I have 5 because one of them is for my boyfriend, but let's take a little thumbnail. Now let's give them all a taste test because I cannot wait. We're gonna start off with the one that's melting. This is a pumpkin spice cream frappuccino. I saw this on their app and I'm very excited about it. So let's give it a try. Whoa. This is really good. This has a lot of different flavors that I'm getting all at once. I'm definitely tasting cinnamon. I'm tasting a little bit of pumpkin spice. Really, really good. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I actually really do. Let's try the whipped cream. I would rate this like a 7 out of 10. Next one, this is my personal favorite. This is the pumpkin cream cold brew. If you know me, you know I love pumpkin, and you know I love pumpkin cold foam. So cheers, let's give this a try. Yes, I love this. This is so good. This is instantly like a 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed. We're moving on to my little short pumpkin spice latte. I love a good pumpkin spice latte. It's just so good. There's so many flavors in the cup that honestly match the theme of fall and pumpkin perfectly. I'm obsessed. 11 out of 10. Love it, and this would go perfect on a fall day. Next, we're gonna move on to our iced pumpkin spice latte. Let's give her a try. I love this one more. It's like 12 out of 10. So good. This is so refreshing. And the last drink I got is the iced pumpkin cream chai. I'm really excited about this as well. I don't know if I'm gonna love this one because I'm not the biggest fan of chai, but let's give her a try. Whoa, I forgot how good this was. I take it back, 10 out of 10. This is amazing. Now it's time for a little ranking. First one, of course, the iced pumpkin spice latte. I'm just obsessed with this thing. I love it. Then I would honestly say the chai. I forgot how good it was and how much I loved it last year, and I love the pumpkin cold foam. Next, I would say the pumpkin cream cold brew is my third favorite. Then the hot version of the pumpkin spice latte, and then I would say that my least favorite, because of the consistency, even though it wasn't bad, I do like the other 4 more. This would be my least favorite, but they're all really good, and I'm very happy with Starbucks Fall Drop, and I'm very excited that pumpkin is officially back at Starbucks. This little crew neck is a bit oversized, and I don't know if I like how oversized it is, but it's from TikTok Shop. Pants are from TikTok Shop, but from a different set, and then I'm wearing Target socks and my little pumpkin slippers from American Eagle. I lightly curled my hair, and I think now I'm not really hungry because I just had a lot of Starbucks drinks, so it kind of filled me up. So I think now we're gonna go to Target and do a little bit of fall shopping. I just left Target, and honestly they didn't have everything I was looking for. I will say they had a few more things in the dollar section that I'm pretty excited about, but I was looking for some more stuff for my apartment, and honestly I couldn't really find much. Granted, again, it is still August, so I completely understand, but come on Target, please hurry up, because I'm seeing stuff on TikTok from Target. It's just not at my Target. But from the dollar section, I ended up getting these really pretty spoons. In my new apartment, I want to have a bar cart, and I thought that these would be really cute to mix like little syrups and stuff like that. Not sure if you guys can see well, but there's little leaves at the top, and then there's also ones with pumpkins that I might go back and get. I also decided to get a cutie little pumpkin. Look how cute this is. I think this would be cute for my room as well. And then I also got this pumpkin as well. It's the same thing, just different color browns, and I think they're adorable. Next, I decided to get some food items. So I got these pumpkin spice rolls with pumpkin spice icing. These are from the brand Pillsbury, and they're basically just cinnamon rolls. There's something about cinnamon rolls that just remind me of comfort and coziness, so I decided to get these. I really like these, and I only had them last year, but they're really good, and I want to have them for breakfast one day. Then for today, I got my favorite Pillsbury pumpkin cookies. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with these. I think they're good when they're baked, and also when they're not baked, they're amazing. But last year, I made these cookies for me and my boyfriend's family, and I put them on top of chocolate chip cookies. They were so good, like so good. I want to make them again. My boyfriend's brother has been asking me to make them all of August, so we're definitely making those today, and I'm very excited about it. And then lastly, I decided to get a cute little pair of plaid flannel pants. I think these are adorable. I saw this in the pajama section, and I just knew that these would be perfect for the fall season, especially like to pair with some Uggs or something like that. So I ended up getting these as well. That is everything I got from Target. I honestly love everything that I got. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to decorate my apartment apartment for fall, but also my room for fall, and that video is coming very, very soon. I'm just waiting for my sheets to come in from Amazon, and then we're going to do a lot of fall decorating, and I'm very excited. I think right now I am going to just go inside, relax a little bit. I might watch some Gilmore Girls and do some fall planning on Pinterest because I love doing that. I really want to get all of my fall wardrobe ideas compiled into one spot so I can make a fall fashion trends video as well. So I think we're gonna go do that. It's a bit later now, and I think we're gonna do a little bit of fall baking. I love baking, especially during the fall, because I feel like it just gives off those cozy and comforting vibes, and I wanna watch Gilmore Girls while doing it. I'm gonna make the pumpkin Pillsbury cookies with chocolate chip cookies underneath.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of.
So you start with just baking the chocolate chip cookies for around like 7 minutes, and then you take them out midway and put the Pillsbury cookies on top. So we're gonna bake these for around 7 minutes.
We stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine, you're 5 feet off the ground.
I just finished making my cookies, and my whole day is automatically paused because Taylor Swift just posted on her Instagram that she's engaged. I really was not expecting to see that today. Today has been such a good day. Yesterday was a good day. This whole week has been a good day. Yesterday it was the Love Island reunion. I don't really have much to say about it. I was very, very underwhelmed, which was kind of upsetting, but the one thing I thought was amazing was the last 3 seconds of the episode when they showed Iris and Huda singing Who Says in the bathroom. And if any of you watch Love Island, you know that that's what we heard in Olandria's confessional. The screaming was them, and I thought that was so iconic and so funny. I'm obsessed with Iris. She's a queen, and she just brings this type of light to the room, and I love her so much. So seeing that it was her and Huda was just so funny, and I love Huda as well. Then today, Starbucks was releasing their fall items, which was so exciting, and then Taylor Swift gets engaged. It was like a double whammy, and I was like, whoa. Then tomorrow, technically at 3 a.m., which I am staying up for, it's the summer I turned pretty, but I think it's when Belly is going to leave Jeremiah at the altar. Again, this is not confirmed, this is my predictions, and go back to Conrad, so it's like a very big episode for Team Conrad, which is me. Then we have 2 things on Thursday. We have Love Island Beyond the Villa, which I'm honestly not excited for this week. I'm excited for My Life with the Walter Boys season 2. I watched this whole entire show in 10 hours. I'm not even kidding. I watched it so fast. I do not like watching TV. I say this all the time. That show has me hooked. I am Team Cole. I really hope Jackie gets with Cole and they start dating. I think that they would make a power couple. Then this weekend, it's Labor Day weekend. Football is starting, and it's officially the start of fall. Not like by the calendar, but after Labor Day. Even though it's been fall in my mind, it's gonna be September and it's officially fall. So you know what? Great day. I'm so excited, but I just needed to come on and share that because I'm so excited. I cannot wait for everything coming up, and it's just been such a good week. Usually I dread Mondays, but this week I was really looking forward to Monday, and I'm very excited because it's almost apple picking season, almost pumpkin picking season, and I just can't wait. So I needed to come on here and do my little rant because what is going on this week. So let me know all of your opinions about everything I just said because I am very excited. But I did finish making my cookies. I did try one. They were very good. My boyfriend's brother had one too, and he said they were good. Now I really don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day. I'm really just in a cozy fall mood, especially because I had so much pumpkin today in the best way possible. So I'm thinking maybe we'll do a little fall self-care, but that would require me to go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx and get some. So I'll update you once I figure out what I want to do with the rest of my night because it is only 5 p.m. and I feel like we had such a good day already.